Life moves fast, and you need a car that keeps up. Meet the all-new Suzuki Dzire, where sharp styling seamlessly blends with functionality. Designed for those who are always on the go. This compact yet powerful sedan is your ultimate everyday companion. From the fast lanes of the city to weekend escapes and chasing new opportunities, the all-new Suzuki Dzire is built to match your ambition, your hustle, your adventure. And it all starts with a look that turns heads. Multi-LED headlamps that light up your path with brilliance. A bold front grille with stylish chrome accent that commands attention wherever you go. Sporty 15-inch alloy wheels, designed to complement your active lifestyle. Distinctive dual-toned rear combination lamps that leave a lasting impression. Compact, stylish, and built for the city, its contemporary exterior design gives it a distinct sedan identity, making it stand apart. From its precision-detailed front fascia to its sleek rear design, every inch has a refreshing appeal, extending into the premium interior ambience. Behind the wheel, someone who's always moving forward. From a brand known for reliability and innovation, comes a sedan built for the modern go-getter. Under the hood, the new generation Z-Series engine with 12-volt hybrid technology, engineered for greater fuel efficiency and reduced carbon emissions without compromising performance. And with a continuously variable transmission, or CVT, every shift is seamless. Every drive is smooth and effortless. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin designed for comfort and style. Ergonomically crafted seats and automatic temperature control ensure every journey is as comfortable as it is enjoyable. Rear AC vents and 2 USB sockets keep every passenger cool, comfortable, and connected on the go. Up front, additional accessory and USB sockets make sure your devices stay powered wherever the road takes you. Need space? The Desire's 378-liter trunk space fits everything your active lifestyle demands, whether it's for work, play, or adventure. A new design meter cluster keeps you informed every mile of the way. Stay connected, entertained, and in control with an intuitive 9-inch high-definition touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And for those long drives, cruise control makes every journey effortless. With a keyless push-start system, getting on the road is as effortless as a touch of a button. And with advanced safety features like ESP, you stay in control no matter the road ahead. Tight spots? No problem. With a reverse parking sensor and camera, parking is effortless and precise. See more, do more, because confidence should come standard. The Lead Me to Home and Lead Me to Vehicle functions ensure your path is always illuminated. Whether you're heading home or finding your car in the dark, the Dzire lights the way. The all-new Suzuki Dzire is equipped with 6-point SRS airbags for all-around protection, because your safety deserves nothing less. Rated 5 stars by Global NCAP for adult occupant protection, because peace of mind should come standard. Style, performance, and innovation, created to move with you. From every turn to every destination, the Dzire is more than just a car. It's a statement, a drive that fits your lifestyle, built for those who are always on the go. Start your journey with the all-new Dzire GL CVT Hybrid at 920,000 pesos, or experience the all-new Dzire GLX CVT Hybrid for just 998,000 pesos. This is the all-new Suzuki Dzire. More than just a sedan, it's the ultimate urban companion.